remember that God is standing by. Thank you, Lord. When you have heartaches, don't cry. No, 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 no. Don't worry, don't be discouraged. Ooh, don't cry, yeah. And sometime I have to say, thank you, Lord. Oh, I'll be standing. I'm gonna be standing by. Sure, you see, there's no need to cry. Yeah, yeah. But I'd like to say one more thing. When you have heartaches, you wonder why. But just remember, I want you to remember, He's standing by, and you don't really have to worry about it, no. When you have trouble, please don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, no, 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 no. Don't worry, don't ever be discouraged. I want you to know you don't have to cry. And sometimes when your burdens get you down, say,